Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In today's video, we'll be diving into the process of converting a JSON file to Excel. It's a handy skill to have, especially when you need to work with JSON data in spreadsheet format. So let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. The first step is to open up your preferred spreadsheet program. I'll be using Microsoft Excel, but feel free to use any software that supports JSON file conversion. Once your spreadsheet is open, head over to the Data tab. This is where the magic happens. From the Get Data drop-down menu, select From File, then choose the From JSON option. Now it's time to locate the JSON file on your computer. Simply click on Import button and navigate to where the file is located. After importing the file, you'll notice a few options. Make sure to select the Into Table option, as this will convert the data into a table format. If needed, you can also adjust the columns by tapping the double arrow and selecting Expand to New Rows. Feel free to enable the specific fields you want to display. One important step is to disable the Use Original Column Names as Prefix option. This ensures that our table remains clean and easy to work with. Once you are satisfied, click OK and fantastic. Now that our JSON file is ready, let's save it as an Excel file. Simply click on the Close and Load button and then select the Close and Load option. Finally, it's time to save our converted data. Go to the File tab, select Save As, and choose the desired location and file name for your Excel file. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a JSON file to Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other tips or questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified about our future videos. Until next time, take care and happy converting.